Do you want to know how to make the perfect cup of coffee? Today, I'll show you how. What I'm gonna need is Nescafe Classico and milk, whole milk. All I need now is 1 teaspoon of Nescafe Classico in my cup, which I'm gonna add right away. Once that's done, I'm gonna pour hot water into my cup. Once that's done, all I need to do is stir it. What I'm also going to be using today is, instead of sugar, liquid stevia. So here goes, and it's of course left up to your discretion as to how much you want to add into it. I'm just going to add myself 3 drops. And 3. And also give it one nice stir again. Once that's done, all I need to do is just add some milk according to my liking as to how strong I want it or how weak I want it. And just stir it one more time. Just gonna add a little bit more of milk to it because I like my coffee to be, that's it, a bit of latte as well. So it's nice and thick with that milk. Perfect, looks fantastic. And finally, I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna stir it one more time. Perfect. And there you go. The perfect cup of coffee.